Got a nice little pearlescent color to it. Woo! Hawk, chill out, chill out. Oh God, Hawk's gonna get a ticket, man. What's up, guys? It is boy FastLaneD, and today we're back with another purse ride. And you know I had to get on the 2020 Low Rider S, baby. Last time I posted a video on this, you guys absolutely loved it. So you know we had to get back and get on one of these. As always, big shout out to Man-O-War Harley Davidson. I would not be able to do these test rides without them. So if you're ever in the Kentucky area, make sure you come check them out. Make sure you let them know that your boy FastLaneD sent them. And if you buy a bike, I would love to come up here and go for a ride with you. But yeah, so we're about to go out with Mike. You guys know Hawk and Bobby. All right, let's do this, let's do this. This is the 2020 Harley Davidson Low Rider S, baby. All right, so getting on it. Woo! Oh wow. Okay, this is not what I was expecting at all. Actually, this is actually surprisingly comfortable. These bars are a lot higher than what I was expecting it to be, but that's actually kind of comfortable right there. And it gives you your range down here, which is cool. ABS lights flashing, all the good stuff. Speedometer goes up to 130. Tack, this thing redlines at 5,500 RPMs. I like this. This is cool. One side's actually a gas tank. I think it's this side, and this side's just for decoration. But for me, I need everything symmetrical, so that's important. But we're gonna go ahead and hit this start button. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh wow. Okay. This is so different, but I like it. Man, these controls are so far forward. We got everyone out today. I don't know where we're going. Bobby's just leading the way, man. You know, he's crazy. Now this is going to be a fun day, I already know. Oh, the power's there. Wow, okay. All right, Low Rider S. There goes the boys. The power is there. Whoa! Alright, I'm impressed. Initial thought, seating position is very comfortable and it's got some power. I really was not expecting that at all. Oh wow. If you're ever looking for a bike and you're in the area, make sure you come check these guys out, man. They'll take great care of you. Brakes feel good, especially that front brake. Ooh. Yeah, Bobby was right about those dual disc brakes. They feel good. I can't believe I'm the first person to ride this bike. Like, what? I've never ridden a new motorcycle before, so this is cool. This is a pretty straightforward bike. Like, there's just not a lot of extra stuff. And if you like that, you just want a motorcycle that doesn't have all the super high tech. It can be a little complicated and sometimes overwhelming bike. I mean, this is it. This is like just a straightforward motorcycle, which I kind of like. Now, it doesn't have the pull that my V-Rod has. If you're not familiar, I do have a 2011 Harley Davidson V-Rod muscle. It's not as quick as that, but it still has power, like plenty of power. Now, obviously, you know how Bobby is. Y'all saw my last test ride. Bobby just freaking took off, man. I was not ready for that. But now I'm ready for you, Bobby. I'm ready for you today. All right, I want to give it a quick little pull. So we're going to slow it down. All right, we're going to do like a 20-mile-per-hour pull. Ready, set, go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And obviously I'm going to compare this bike a lot to the V-Rod because that's my bike, and I have a lot of people that have that bike that follow the channel. And also, excuse my ashy hands. I forgot my gloves. Brought everything, helmet, jacket, camera, gimbal, all that stuff, drone, and I forgot my gloves. We're gonna let them get a little bit ahead. There they go. We're gonna do a ground pull. Ready? Go. Woo! Come on, man! Right, come on! Come on! There goes Bobby. This is awesome, man. This is so cool. This guy does not want to let us go. Please be patient, student driver. I don't know. It didn't seem like a student driver. The power definitely feels very linear, which on a V-twin like this, that's normal. Like, there's not like that instant where you're just like, oh, and there's the power. Man, this is awesome. This is freaking awesome, man. Got the boys out. Heck yeah. This bike is so comfortable, man. Oh, it's so comfortable. Now I understand why Hawk is always hitting me up and be like, hey, let's go to this city 3 hours away. And I'm like, Hawk, I'm not riding the V-Run muscle for 3 hours and then 3 hours back. That does not sound like fun. But on this bike, I mean, I completely understand why he does that. And it handles well. Like, this thing, wow. It feels so light. Wow. Even that kick going from first to second, it'll kick you back a little bit. Like I said, it's not quite as quick as the V-Rod muscle is, but it definitely won't leave you feeling like there's more to be desired. Now, it is weird not having anything here. I'm so used to having the tack right here. It's almost like you gotta look down in order to see how fast you're going. But I will say it does add some sexiness to the bike, not having it as high up there. All right, now let's see how it really handles here. It's a little wet, so I can't go crazy, but and these are obviously new tires. Woo! Oh yeah, this thing feels good. Yep. Yep, there's a little twisty test, and it feels great. No, a little bit, just a little bit. Nothing crazy. It's all good. I appreciate it. Now, I already know I'm gonna get asked, is this a beginner bike? No matter what bike it is, I could be riding Ninja Ace 2R, and someone's gonna comment down below, can I start on this bike? And I would say yeah. Would you recommend it for someone starting out?
No.
No? One awesome day out with the boys, man. Heck yeah, these things are sweet. Always gonna get the picture. Woo! Thank you, I appreciate it, man.
In fact, you can have these. I got heated grip.
Oh, yeah. My man.
This is the hardest wreck today.
But yeah, comment down below, what do y'all think, man? I love the color on it. I do love those wheels, but you can't get a powder coated black if it's not for you. But I do like how it matches the lettering on here. This bike is really comfortable. It's just a straightforward motorcycle, which you can appreciate sometimes. If you're not a huge tech person, this is it. And I do like the silver. It's got a nice little pearlescent color to it. And then the headlight, I mean, that just looks really cool. And we got Hawks. He put the new turn signals on there and powder coated the wheels. And you would think from this upright seating position that it beats you up, but it's really not that bad. This fairing surprisingly gets the wind over you. And maybe when you get to about 100 is when you really start feeling the wind. But I mean, truly, how often are you gonna be cruising at those kind of speeds, you know? How we doing, Mike? Good? Heck yeah.
You gotta be careful, there's a crop sits up here.
Yeah, yeah, I saw it in my last video. Really? Oh man. There goes Hawk, look at him. Hawk been grown up, there's a cop. Oh, look at that, my man right here. My man letting us know. Hawk, chill out. Oh God, Hawk's gonna get a ticket, man. He's gonna get I'm weak. Is he gonna come get us? Ah, he's not gonna come get him. I know Hawk's heart dropped when he saw that cop. That is hilarious. It's got a little kick to it when you shift from first to second. Like, it gets a little squirrely. She does a little dance for you, a little wiggle. I mean, we're going 100 right now, and I literally can't even tell. Like, this bike is just cruising, dude. Wow. It's so effortless. And usually on bikes like these, like, you're pushing it to move this quick. Like on the 883, if I was doing 100, like, you knew you were doing 100. The bike lets you know it was uncomfortable. See, if you like the styling of this bike, I mean, you won't be let down if you get it out and get it for a test ride. It's got the FastLaneD stamp of approval, baby. Wow. Mike, my man, he rides that big boy like it's nothing, man. If I would own this bike, I'd definitely go black on black like Hawks is, and then it needs an exhaust, and we're good to go. Low Rider S, baby. I like it, man. I like it. It's light.
It's easy to look at a lot of Harleys and think big, heavy tanks of bikes, just under 700 pounds, but when you get on it
Does not feel like, yeah, it feels light, man. Did that cop scare you? The guy was flashing his lights, but you were still going. I was like, who would you say this bike is for? Would you recommend it for someone starting out?
No, I
No?
wouldn't recommend it for someone starting out just for the overall size.
Yeah.
The wheelbase for one, just because it does take a little bit more experience to ride it than it would on something shorter wheelbase, say like a Sportster or even the Street 500 or 750.
Yeah.
Something like that, just because they're a little bit shorter, a little bit lighter overall. That's got a very low center of gravity, so it feels lighter.
Yeah.
But in the end, it is something that's a little bit more of an experienced rider's motor.
There we go. That's it, guys. The 2020 Low Rider S. I appreciate y'all watching. Once again, if you ever need a bike and you're in the area, make sure you come check out Harley Davidson Man-O-War. Come see my boy Bobby. He'll take great care of you. We got Huck and we got Mike. Guys, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join the Fast Lane gang. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.